This is Angela from Triple Peaks Roofing, and a simple question: is there a best time of year to get my roof done? And I guess I ask that question in terms of how busy does a roofing company get? Is there? I don't know. Should I wait later in the year for better deals? I don't know. Is there a best time?
For replacing your roof, the best time is to make sure the temperatures are on the rise.
Okay.
We definitely don't want to be doing roofing systems in the middle of winter unless it's absolutely necessary.
Okay.
But
What can happen? Like what's in terms of doing it in winter time?
So in the winter, you will get the shingles don't lay down flat.
Okay.
And potentially in the spring, we may have to come back and reseal them. But normally, once we get some sun on the roof, it will lay it down and get that heat, and it will create those seals. Unfortunately, the cleanup doesn't go as well. We'll have to come back in the spring just because we can't see everything.
Okay.
But the best time, in my opinion, is in the June, July area.
Okay.
And that is, we're getting past the rainy season of April. May is a good time, but a lot of people are trying to wait for school to get out. So June, July, August are great times. After Labor Day, then everybody who didn't get their roof done
Trying to get it done.
is trying to get it before the first snowfall. So September, October, November is actually our busiest time of the
No
year.
kidding. Wow. Well, okay. So
Yes.
if somebody wants to, time it just right.
Mhm.
Then how do they get? When should they call? When should they start things to get on that schedule for the best time of year?
Definitely give us a call in the spring, April,
Okay.
May,
Yeah.
because that's when we start filling up.
And you guys come out free, estimate, take a look at the
Yes,
job and everything, provide
do.
a quote,
We
and
do.
all that. So there you have it. That's the best time of year to do it. And Angela knows this stuff. They've been doing this for quite a while. So
18 years.
18 years. So give these guys a call and get started on your beautiful new roof.